Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Exodus account, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supplies over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all the supported networks in one seamless wallet. So now that we know a bit of what Exodus is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus. This is going to be a really fantastic ride. Okay, so from your home page, head over to the bottom corner of your screen, or you can even check the top corner of your screen where you have this receive and you have this buy option. So you can even click on this buy option. So click on the buy icon or option and it's going to take you to this window. So are we buying? I'm sorry, we're not buying Solana, we're buying Bitcoin. So go ahead and click on this drop down menu and that's going to take you right here where you can now select your assets, which in this case is Bitcoin. So right here I have Bitcoin from this avalanche of assets, Bitcoin. But then if you don't see Bitcoin here, go ahead and use the search bar and in the search bar type BTC. But now this is Bitcoin, so I'm just going to click on Bitcoin and it's going to take me to the next window. So over here you're going to have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. Let's say I'm just going to leave it 100, or you can increase it to 1,000, or you can increase it to 2,000, whichever one you want. And once you're done adding the amount of Bitcoin, go ahead and click on this buy button and it's going to take you to MoonPay. Yes. So taking you to MoonPay. So right here we're in the MoonPay. So here says buy crypto with Nigerian Naira. Let's say got it. So got it. So we change your currency because notice that you're Nigerian, but if you don't want to, then you can actually change your fiat currency. Yeah, so the minimum purchasable amount is 35. Okay, so that's okay. So that's the minimum. So you just have to edit this to 35,000 then. So you get this 41 BTC for this amount. So you can now click on this continue button to check out. So enter your email that you use to register for MoonPay and click on continue. But I don't have a MoonPay account. But let's say you do that, just go ahead and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to allow Exodus have access to your MoonPay account, and from there you just go ahead and check out. Now once you check out, that's going to be it. Then you'll be able to purchase your Bitcoin from there. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.